Okay. Hello, students. So here I am going to present the first unit of our course, Fluid Machinery and Fluid Power Engineering. The first unit named Impact of Jets and Falcon Turbine. I am Dr. Manoj Kumar, who has taken your class here. So let's see what I'm going to cover in this lecture. Topics to be covered will be fundamental concepts. What is impact of free jets? What is the fundamental equation which I'm going to use for this particular unit, and also I will end up this particular class with a non-graded quiz where I will not use just marks for your grading, but that quiz will give you an idea that how better you have understood the lecture which I'm just going to deliver. In fundamental concept, what I'm going to tell you is what is an impact, what is a fluid jet, types of fluid jet. In the second subheading, impact of free jet, what I'm going to tell you is the description of cases which I'm going to cover in this unit beyond this lecture as well, and also types of striking. And in fundamental equation, I will be introducing you with a very important equation, impulse momentum equation, and I also derive it from our fundamental horse. So let's start this course. What is an impact? Just to understand what is an impact, let's see this video.
Impact. Noun. The striking of one body against another, collision. Impact. Noun. The force or energy of a collision of two objects. The hatchet cut the wood on impact. Impact. Noun. A significant or strong influence, an effect. His friend's opinion had an impact on his decision. Our choice of concrete will have a tremendous impact on the building's mechanical performance. Impact. Verb. To collide or strike, the act of impinging. When the hammer impacts the nail, it bends. Impact. Verb. To compress, to compact, to press into something or pack together. The footprints of birds do not impact the soil in the way those of dinosaurs do.
I think with this, what this word impact means, let's see. I just try to summarize what this video says. Sudden application of force is an impact. Just see this. This hammer is putting sudden load on this nail to make the work done. Collision of bodies. Let's see this. One body is getting collided with the another body. This is also an impact. The third one is striking of fluid jets on objects. And this third one will be the focus of this whole unit. So since the striking of fluid jets on objects is the primary focus of this unit, let's see it in much deeper manner. What is a fluid jet? Let's see this video first. You can see this fluid jet is coming out of this. So while this video is going on, just summarize what we can see from this video. Fluid jets are nothing but a high velocity, either a liquid or a gas stream coming out of a nozzle. What a fluid jet is. So now we have understood what is impact, and now we have also understood what is fluid jet. But there is something more we all should know regarding fluid jet. We can classify fluid jets in this two manner. One can be a forced jet, and another can be a free jet. What is the difference between the two? See, what is the difference between the forced jet or a free jet? Any idea? Let's hear from you. So here, I'm taking a break from here. I'm just sharing this link to all of you through the chat box, and it is mandatory to all of you to go through. You have to participate in this particular thing. I just